to highlight a few corrupt issues, which is in the public domain, and most of it I got in the last 3 or 4 years from audit reports, so that Gambians can have a good context to what Gala was trying to do yesterday. And let's start with the First Ladies Foundation, where $35 million US, or dollars is because I don't know whether $35 million that $35 million is were deposited in her account, and according to the president himself, they don't know where to put it, and then deposited it into her account. For me, that's what opened the floodgates of corruption in this country, because I think it was in 2018 when that happened. The Farmeraba Foundation, 35 million Gambian dollars. Secure Port. You remember Secure Port?
I do.
When you go to the airport, in and out, you pay. The contract is $160 million. Banjul Roads, that one, $2.4 billion, equivalent to, at the time, $41 million US to pave the Banjul Roads. And we all know what that led to. It led to massive flooding on the streets of Banjul. This year I haven't had any flooding yet. Last year also, so maybe they fixed some of the areas that were flooding. But the Banjul Roads is a horrendous project that cost the economy $2.4 billion or 41 million equivalent at the time. Then you remember the COVID-19 funding at the Ministry of Health. 600 million Gambian dollars is what we are talking about. And everybody is quiet about these issues now. The GPA, Port Authority, just one unit, that ticketing unit, that had an issue of 300 million Gambian dollars. It was investigated by the police. They tried to minimize it between the police and the Justice Ministry. Nothing has been done about that one also. The NDMA, National Disaster Management Agency, also cannot account for 100 million Gambian dollars. The National Assembly had intervened. Nothing is happening. The media contract, the 40 million that was dished out to the various media houses, that too is just public money given to people to propaganda for the government. The $41 million renovation of the airport. You remember the airport was renovated?
Exactly.
And it was renovated, according to them, for 41 million Gambian dollars. Certain parts of the airport were flooding. I think it has been fixed now. And certain parts of the airport do not even have adequate air conditioning.
Absolutely.
Yeah. The OIC roads, oh dear. These roads, I think everybody knows about that. Lamin has done a fantastic job dealing with the Ministry of Infrastructure to flesh out this thing. I don't need to go into the details anymore, only to say that under normal circumstances, a road like that would have cost around 1 million per kilometer.
Exactly.
But according to them, it cost $6 million US per kilometer. Not 1 million, 6 million.
6.8 million.
6.8 million, almost $7 million per kilometer.
And after that, there was an additional 45 million, which took it to 9.8 million per kilometer.
Per kilometer.
Yeah.
So, then the $100 million loan for the OIC cars. I think that one also, we talked about it. But Gambia is like that. All these big things are happening. When they happen, we talk about it, and then people relax, and then life continues. I think people should recall these 100 million OIC cars,
yes, Mr.
and how those cars were bought. We see them being driven around town. These are very expensive cars. Most likely, the prices have been inflated. Most likely, they didn't cost what was reported for them to have been bought for. Remember the Social Security Housing Finance Corporation's 9.8 million euro money that they gave to one car dealership to import buses. 9.8 million euros. That at the time that was around 715 million Gambian dollars to one individual company to source cars. I mean buses for
without proper bidding.
Yeah, without proper bidding, you know, the kind of transparency that is required. And then the $63 million renovation of the Vice President's residence. Remember, the Vice President's residence since 2017 has been renovated twice. This is the third renovation, and they said it cost 63 million.
Okay, you see, I want to say something about this so-called renovation for the third time. So we are talking about an excess of like at least 100 million. Pour que la renovate, damandi along for the vice president always say that damandi along banke ba local renovation. These are the things, Gambia. These are the things that we need to focus on. Adam Barrow na la masakunda Gambia kasara gan. Nimu kasarole. What this man is saying? Nimu kasarole. 100 million Gambia government was spent for renovation. You know, the various vice presidents that were there, Momonara, you know, they all asked for, including Alama Kafarnian Fukala, Badarage, Badara Juf. You know, we criticize all of them. Cool. These renovations are not needed. You are taking a lot of money. Like Nimo Monata, Ikalafle Boning, ya adjust. Ya customize, quoted and it left Nyame. Imagine that, your boom lowering, modern facility, security needs are all catered for. You still ask for a lot of money. Like 3 of them, Vice President Jumalam, Farmajala Tambajang, then you have Rambi Sindhi Helman, then you have Badra Yuf, and then this one, the 4th one. So Momo Nara, Vice President's office, ala renovate, ya alia upgrade to my alia customize to my needs. At the end of the day, what we end up with? 100 million gone. Nowhere. Like Nini move on like individual could imagine more is 100 million or 100 million anyhow. You know, see if 100 million or lay. Imagine. By the way, I'm content because I start a video audio in a play. Making topic on left video analyze the demanding that I don't attack like because in the Nafi Koninga Jankalafanga commanding for who they are. Watson Gambia is one of them. Very big hypocrite. Nafiki Balam world platform. Gambia Watson Gambia need. Watson Gambia. Alamala platform Alma Tay. Almunafiko Lelti. Almufamu tribalist. I'm saying this not loosely. Alfamu tribalist. Aliamer Alfere, Alman Fere, Alman Fere. Aliyamabul Alfenyo Banda. But let's go with this one first.
Now, the national debt, 119 billion. 119 billion. Which is about 85% of GDP. And this 85%, I still think it's on the low side. It's much more than that. And then the allocation of the Chief Justice residence to the President. For me, that caps the corruption that Gala was all about yesterday. And for those of you who are saying, you know, this corruption is this and that, let's put these things into context. And I haven't even spoken about the $100 million that the central bank gave to 10 companies to source different food items and petroleum products for the country. 100 million.
Okay, yeah. Central bank 100 million dila puri, you know, food items and other stuff, petroleum products. But you see, on paper, all these initiatives are there. In business lalu, they have like, come on, Gambia. Malef Kafako system change, you know, blah blah, to go after that old topic. What we have in Gambia is a very comprehensive system. Comprehensive so much so that you only need an honest and competent person to operate within that system. The constitution woman but at the lower level. The mechanisms are there, the government policies, the policy documents many along will like a various ministerial run. They cater for transparency, accountability, and even there is a lot of flexibility in them. but they don't. It all come get wrong. Member la jibo fanila. Ni business la men bebe fa waro la jang. Ibe molo ko dol tale ba dila politician la ibe political party support la jana. You wonder why they keep supporting political parties because Gambia business la na quality because they no political. Because they get a lot of incentives from the government. A lot. 100 million, imagine 100 million to only 10 people. That's an average of 10 per person. 10 million. Itamu business already, you are already established. 10 million should go a long way. 10 million should go a long way. So they gave you 10 million. Puriye, you know, bagasol na nila business o bete yema koi ito ko ma ko rewote jila banku dingol kan. Bagasol dab ka jino. Ni na te telefon haramo force haramo men ka doma Gambia wala ñing import lal ñin so called business lal. Wala na Adam Barrow mbeñanta jela ko farrolem pour ka bonne ni man la ñoga nga bonne abe koy lal dol okay dol be tubaw dule de ngay la ko ko zawadi dunia arjala nga be la fo dende ngara
It's from the central bank's reserves. The government gave JAR Oil, I think it was 50 million.
50 million US dollars.
50 million US dollars, which the government underwrote. Although now, some time ago, the reporting on social media was that part of that was returned, but we don't know which part was returned, how much was returned, when it was returned. So these are all issues, and then the 75 million currency swap that was signed by the governor of the central bank on the 27th of June, 2025.
The 75 million is dollars.
Yes, it's US dollars. We talked about that several times. We thought it was dead, but then it was signed on June 27, 2025.
Okay, the currency swapping. So some of these things, they have a lot of stories behind them. So like these people 75 million it costs walla, but it costs silolo fanana about 2,000 kilometers. Adam Barrow ka sulara silol men. So we all know ko lare lañ diam foloro aliam at the beginning ako 6.8 million per kilometer OIC roads, right? In I believe another additional 4 million. Then eventually the price hike escalated to how much? About 9 point something million per kilometer. So no more kilometer natata itate ñun nang 75 million na iko project also is 2,000 kilometers. But these people cannot construct that 2,000 kilometers with 75 million US dollars. Ibara OIC for Kanala ko 9 point something million per kilometer ko wala doku. Because it initially was 6.8, then another additional 4 million or something Taya spent. Then it went to the price rose to about 9 point something million, almost 10 million per kilometer. Imagine that. Umokini wala is $75 million stand on blood. We'll go to look at 2,000 kilometer doku. So, Badingol, I'm just trying to tell you, this is exactly what is destroying the economy of the Gambia right now. Destruction of a book and then you'll be Seattle, you know, every one of these scandals, there is a story behind it. Every one of them. Ibe nyamoro ko di susu menna because Barrow fe ko 2026 atebo win na nyama wala nyinigo ay doku oge na ay doku oge membe ko electricity la karola anin silo na nyum fulol soto do na rata sandoro ay carte nyina basodal ko mongol be carte fayla everywhere in Gambia be carte sodal so nyine ño sabo be kere Barrow na la criminal ol men be masakunda kono especially na two jaranka brothers membe they are very especially do membe central bank. This is criminal act. Yeah, 75 million momentum. They bring it, and a transaction fee should be between policy wise. It should be according to policy and practice. It should be between 3.1 to 3%. But they are allegedly, there is a possibility that they are paying up to up to 10%. So that means 75% only. 10% baby transaction fee because iba nyamoto kekan. Ida narna nyamoto account of nan create yo create bank mento bank mari ñol funal wol mu sungol lelti mo le wol lon wol dabe ñin diamol kono jana ñin gala diamo men bebe kering some of them are part of it ya wollel ta ini wollel be nyin deal. But regardless, central bank la dumoje according to people many finance long. Eko central bank manyana dadu na nyin negotiation on. Because it also that currency la. So if currency swap kela, it had a criminal or no many along because bank will be able in a account special account or in the transaction fee between 3 to 10%. Gambia government, when are they going to operate in a way me along is going to be reasonable? Because it's about down or level you know. It had a more bridge. Imagine na bridge me ya mortgage for 100 million. You little naba matandai. You can find in Gambia. That bridge. If 300 million, the calculation was done here. I found my deny. Over the period, lease period was it 20 or 25 years? Lease period, it only will period of mena. Within that period, Gambia government can make 300 million. Ni only manage. They could have collected 300 million from it. But because Elafra Sisasi Kodola, they took 100 million. Ali how reckless our government behaves. Imagine something that you can get 300 million from it over the years. As a government is there for continuity. Government man can promote clean. Why will you go and mortgage the bridge? I said that. Why will you go and mortgage a bridge? Bibi Lala, 100 million sotaje, and we are keep over the years about 300 million not later. Including employment, because we cannot have so much to say about that, especially at the management level. But to mention the Gambia will employ 300 million over the years. Gambia government was no. They made this argument, they couldn't counter it. It all function they could make 300 million from it, but if you had 100 million taje. You see how reckless this government can be.
Then there is the sale of Megabank. You can go on and on and on and on.
Okay. It's Megabank men get out on Alon and all you know the names, but the thing is if the government is not going after thieves, Nicola Silayeto for Lala, you know, most of the time will be attack and be told can. But why will you just, you know, Banco Bela Nafulo, Ikachika more clean? Some of our own brothers, I hope not yell because Alegambia Sunyanga is incredible. But attack yellow Kodo, Takai, and attack yellow Kodo, Takela Kuanga video do for Nake, Mealongo, a man apology. But Gamena, Alina Kuklina, well, Alina Sifaram Fansila alone. Sifaram Fansla, Nalbelo, Jamabi, Tamasero #1, will let a mold, make a mold accused in Sifaram Fansol. Ninkubal nitiam itinana substance le ibafula na rumu sifaram fanslale because it will feel it will sifaram fanso jumal and sifaram fanslale is all based on it will mene mire ko kono jang. Number 1, what's on Gambia ngali yejere lafte yemen safe about attack, and this is what what's on Gambia does every time il after more defend la they think what's on Gambia bila malam fo la karama fana mamman kiba because the master's degree is roman karama. How can you come up with such a bullshit? How can you come up with such an idiotic article? Kamo defend me along ka lota is your bene. Attack me along ka alfong li along ka drug lema. Aka ma sira fengolema. Be pare ab faris abalo bimo si fatam fanzolt. Ame mabono anata yavo. Molko maybe under influence. Some of us even try to like Diko Abaraga, thank you. What's on Gambia? If you go ferretala. Inada na any foolish article nada. So attack nada, you know, bring taka if indeed that Peter, I don't mean Peter Lakura because Naja more than Peter blame ka. Taka yala kulubali alfole. Abodaje, you know, Amurutana Samu. Ikalongo taka ila DNA. Abefaran si Varam Panzol. Taka is not our fault. But ndola yala wolati nan desan jine salanno ma fa dudu zawna be judu jawna be because as far as American serving kameni janga menulo zemen la each guest no ngalongo maybe adele se wo remember no orana there is a reason Fenge na kewal believe that go he believe that kudola because Jesus Salame once says something very interesting. And I'm not saying ko Islam ya fo nyama o abo because now the talbo do fana to kala fo sifa nen hadith over that may favor they bring debate to it. So I'm not saying it in that regard. But I just want you to understand how people before it came miranya. And this is not about tribe. It's about across the board. Na numto kebal be. Jida ko ako jankadi mo be ya be jahannaba. Mul ko be chojo wul na ko fo jalam berol ye mu nek alala. Jalam berol wala mu nekk alal e bi da jahannama sako jankadi mo ako jankadi mo be ya be jahannama o kame yidani they are the test for mome ya lonko kuma o mo sifale mati nga example o dinkungo jankadi mo barakanta mo ani mome ya lonko aman kati our people detest them but nyinga me exhibit now you want to ask questions because it na te kuma fo me lonko e sielama more maybe slip of the tongue kachale man look comfortable dolphon try some of them even try to say ko kachabe fo kan ani kan menna mengera angale kan bo nyi mo wala moy back yes ngalo ka man tuba ko moy back aka fo le drum because atlo dal tala bara ma moy ala word ala vocabulary for is very limited we understand all that but he knows 100% abe men foka lafta fem fola intel gamien ka damma wolum ka lonna anu han native english speaker ni ala moy as far as la wodol sa la word so dol maybe amoyo su ko lebul ban ni afo to bal na nyanga lafta kamna ni ala moy kende ke fam ibal na ka lafta kamna so there's nothing was lost in translation here alafta men fola ay wolefo anata ta nak ikamera ko mo man kanya a wulta atata ko de ga da mo kilimo another murunka come ala clarification yalla ni mole kukurunge igabla I want to apologize I want to clarify that I meant to be tribalist. He literally came out to clarify he wanted to be tribalist. Yeah, different prominent among them ngamenye big C ngala safiroje gam weble no wonder it don't be bukata no blood Watson Gambia ane Sheikh womo butuk no maraton ni fam Sheikh womo kala lombalo men ka Qur'ano la danga Qur'ano la danga Sheikh Amatise womo furing wala fura Gambia ni Senegal beti ma moti je men fura Messi Amatise ya je dawda samana men kalila ko Gambia ni Senegal tema mo men fura ko Sheikh Amatise amansoro alto nyaf Sheikh Amatise Gambia ni Senegal beti ma billah wala tala futa beti moti je men barakanta yara mais Sheikh Amatise si mi alon ko lota e Qur'ano mo e kali iko gam iko ni kamem foni to nyata Qur'ano e halaki iko Amadou Bala be winna Senegal we made ani do eta mari how rotten you are ikono mo kuntan kalantam barakanta mo mem mudi very foolish man Senegal fon ya wala fon ya do ya fon be barakata aka wala topical man just for views because apparently those are very important to him wala lo rafe ani Watson Gambia anu Sheikh Amatise na la kaitan dalla janku Watson Gambia mu tribalist platform ol I left I very much alio understand adu momo mal la nyina ala ba proof la later tribalist platform ol a fon exhibit le Watson Gambia femfe man la wala ko kan na wote ko Watson Gambia mu tribalist platform aka femfe be fali a be wuliya tribalist ol a exhibit le nyim problème and even before this, I exhibit le. But ama exhibit la ramen they come up with a defense for attack. Like literally. Mbali ni moyen neng ma fo yen defend but me neng kanata iko ika fo la ko ama wuli ke neng o ama fo nyama. I yentemen nentele nyanta fo la how I feel about it. But ni mete neng kana fo benta nendro ni minimize la yen nango men kendala kana fo bo minimize la. Don't try that. Woman cool. Ni info about any issue mbane na ndefo malaf ka diam no mbake nyina but the fact that ko attack murtana ne kotege ka fo mole ko men ko instead of apology ako clarification to just to muddy the waters again even more. All the tribal bigots sojar mu njaw dinko jubur la membe America the same thing. Just one line is half a minute comment. At the time, I don't comment. Don't go condemn, but it's embedded in a writing such that maybe in more members from my English comprehend back it I understand. But it wasn't explicit. He came up with some sort of defense for him, or at least to imagine that. because mun ga dafa be no mandingol attack kan no before this. So he couldn't you know munata be muna fotano nyi ite ko mo mandingol di ite ka mandingol accuse mandinka tribalism na imang any evidence do modo ina koteke ay mandingol neng but because ife ko ila ego yala wala tan hana manula ego ila malo mbal fa nyande juso ko no membi jabu ka mabono because afongalo nakabe attack ñul condemn la directly obe contradiction on nata because ata fambe mandinka dul accuse kan tribalism la so atata folano mo mulu njaw dim ko jubur lango atara nafiki ya safe aman kudute aman sofa anda ata sofa la fo jana fal mu barakan tamba ikanyin sifa jawal ani Watson Gambia be killing Watson Gambia I'm very disappointed very disappointed italel be nyin diamo men bebe kering mol me yalon ko especially men ni talib man agri ke ko tribalism abe Watson Gambia la mo nyin ke mu njaw din ko jubur la men be America me yalon ka be sutiyarin ko na fenke labam manke fenti dunia na manke munafiko tani mu kuntan wala mati italeba siri kamol ke tribalism kasiyo mutaka neng jumale ka wuke ila balu gon hada banu men sondo mo be fate bala mo se lo kasiyo neng siyo ikasiyo neng siyo fo nya mata le siyo mo si wonen kasiyo be jibe ka fo le ko atul munyinati atelle man la fintela menu hey look ila Gambia ala jibe wato war si ko nata akatara kule be je me yalon ko there is something nafala be je me yalon ko mole lafta nafala ma sotono ida lafta ko dola ama sotono ala fa place la ma sotono lafta nafa fenna dunia fengo ama sotono ako sifatam fanzo bini konte ngara kuriyala ko bi mobe wakili tela dak itela kuriyara mo ke boy ndene membi datu atakala maninkati mbe comfortable la nemeda wala adu ngala mo jama kan jibe jang ita jibe la ko okay mbadu ngan si nyo jibe hani family member fon dije dol bi jibe te ñu nam mo la me yalon ko fon yalon ko ni ñu na sa kuriya keno anu ninna fa cité dama ali jibe ka ñu na fa nyame Gambia connection be mol menu be tema in the system corruption o menu be ñoo fix kan they cut across all tribal lines alaman ku jama ma bondol hada maningol en so bakal de ya wala na ala ko bentol kitindi lan dol hada maningol because ntol nga sonno mo sodo malaiko le sonno mo sodo iman nidia sodo be on le mo sodo nidia bari man sonno mo nyesodo so wala na ntol nim be on lim malaiko be tema ntol lel fanal be nyul be nyaado nana accountability la ala ben men mutala accountable because ntol nga nidia sodo at the same nga hakilo sodo bari ngabula nidia nyi ngabula drone noma nana da dunia ñini feŋola ye feŋo ñini ma soto wandi fa man la finna because mo ñen si carlet duru ka man la finna because nda mo ñen si carlet pour isa bala fa soto no mo le ne ye lekan ko ite mo victim let bar Allahu akbar kabira ala buka ala itele ke le la larange ka si no fo ka korondo ala buka si no itele ke le la larange ka si no ala buka si no alme mera kurkur law banko kan albi seme sisi la malala atul ko moltita atul manta al ko doltita banko be la ko ngakacha alesionati ni modo fintra si ko fo because atul ko si ko no atul la political al ka be landi wala kan salbu ka condemn no you come and talk in parables because what's on Gambia ka drive ni kan ila nyin ko men be ba ke kan aka fa mo le ko tol dol mu tribalism even do anena man nga fem for about any sion te fonta nyala matan te bota dame mo se lo ka fa sio ka sio fon ka kuma jaw fa sio ma imagine that hada banu mi hakilo be fate bala e ka kuma fa sio ma dini meran lo day drogo bula ko mo ko no fa fata tep ada day klubali af on a platform molio condemn atol na alkal because platform mol batol bu me warda alkal kata alkal wala defend Watson Gambia al nyanta malula enen fengele la faka coordinate Cheikh Amad ya bala ama ben because ada platform be bil TikTok le ama fenda bo Facebook so ngaje la ndara la Facebook la ngala cling cling jije ma fo post fo post about trying to put up a defense for attack imagine janna be diala ibadi mo yeto nya faye ni mina defense on attack la ñu do men tamit ka to nya faye quoi menke is a mistake but you put up a defense or ya try ka nice because ita fa mo tribalisol si fatam fancy la mudi imu divisive idiot let ita Watson Gambia and ita ñim ke mu lu njaw ding ko jubur la membe sir America jutu de la fante tofal mo furin ding barakan tang man ke fendi The only reason Alta attack condemn lano is because Alia Alman Kututei, Almu Barakantan Dimolelti. Nyumana sila. Yes, Durung, exactly. They also suggesting that the boy's English proficiency was the reason for communicating so poorly. But I don't agree. His English is very good. Good or no good, there is no reason. There is no reason. What's on Gambia communication? Good morning, Gambia. It is a brilliant idea that Peter Gomez of West Coast Radio has started inviting young artists into his morning show. But he must understand that many of these artists have limited proficiency in English, which can make it difficult for them to express themselves clearly. This increase the risk of miscommunication and potential public backlash. Paragraph attack before you can attack la court. You see this preceding the initial paragraph. What's on Gambia? Al tribal is already. Atol si fadam fansila jahannaba dinnu ilamoy another ko we believe that if the interview with Attack has been conducted in Wolof, he might not have discussed the division in the music industry as he did. Another line of defense. What's on Gambian tribalist idiot, very big tribalist, very big tribalist. Alina moy janade. What we are seeing in Gambia's music scene is not tribalism. It is something else. Full stop. It is something else. What is it? It is regional pride. It's hometown love. Take the case of ST. He is very popular among Brikamankolu. Yegulu. Imantonyavo. His support base isn't about ethnicity, but rather a sense of local pride. They see him as one of their own. ST is a national pride. ST kala English aka angale fola aka surwa aka maneka conf. Ika membe double jang. Ako do you remember oh boy? Yala mo na be fania fo ngala nyeme bere pour comme fania fola na ba wala fania fola. Na fania fola bala batara yala aka kapare nyame ka mol sonno mol domo. Aka na wuli yala mem fo wuli yala has nothing to do with menkera on West Coast Radio. Ako do you remember when oh boy showed up at Attacks City show to support him during his beef with ST? Oh boy is Mandinka, but what he felt wasn't tribal bias. It was a deeper hunger of genuine local support. Now, what did Attack say? Again, whatever you are saying here, at the end of every paragraph, I am asking myself, what did Attack say? This isn't about tribe. More and more artists are beginning to understand this, which is why they often proudly mention their hometowns and villages in their songs and interviews. They know that without strong local support, reaching national stardom would be far more difficult. Take Fula Gangster, for example. He reps Tanje hard, and when he's on stage there, Tanje shows up loud and proud. Imantonya for fanal. Double. None of it makes sense. None of it makes sense. Ika membe wuliya jang ibe maboka ibe borkan kukilina wala nyindiko ata geye kulubaliya menke e man pare ka jela fode bar ya jela mbala min dole mbala second last paragraph. Jizzle is a Bakau native and many of his strongest supporters are from Bakau as well. Okay, whenever Jizzle was at Jizzle has an event, he sends us thousands of messages urging us to help promote it. Let's not allow tribalism to seep into our music industry. In fact, just a few years ago, many young artists were only rapping and singing in Wolof and English, and it was never an issue. Born Africans, one of the biggest music groups in the Gambian history, came from Bakau. Their hit songs were entirely in English and Wolof, and they were widely celebrated across the country. Contradictory, you know, fenya wulu ngata caring. Ni mamira ngeto fa ngene ngite nyo wulu lebe caring dunia kono. Ibe from contradict lego born African across the country. Sa ina ko nyung hometown. Mol Gambia artist ko hometown wala be je wala problem modi momo la hometown wala ke support so e bay kaje ko wala misunderstanding be dol ka struggle ko wala articulate because this article is all about that. That's what you want to say. The division e malo e bole articulate la nya for attaque bole do ma aka mosa balo bela faga si ate the fact that ko Jizzle Bakau ko le ko support ST Brikam ko le ko support ate ma fana ate la sinjun kol o wherever bota dame ni wol ma support lolo bat na attaque bi dalo la ka manin kol aka manin kol castigate waso ngame ye fani dang mugalaf kanendo but we have to do it ye wulu iman to nyafo ika membe fa be fani ay munafi kolti you are a hypocrite tribalism le muti ibe men be wuliya kanjam tribalism le muti al nga ñoo saba on other issues but nana tribe al kana ñoo nene ana ma tribe da mati any prohibited ground of discrimination nimmo yake al nga mari kumani for what they are nimmo e mola religion onen al nga fay ko teng ñim batara yak kiyankol ñi dini man kiyankol be nanja ale mu na fado wat sanga ale mu na fa babakar bahum bira kiyankol be nanja nimmo lota a group of people nang al nga to ñafo bari mu nekane because alla political ideology and leaning a bebe based in tribalism le kan alka sembe alka mabo alka fo modo len tribalism but because atul kal fan identify nyameng na le moje from that same group wo kaba fola dron wo kabe we tribalism kal because on cover because alka fola nin ko nyimu tribalism ibamiran to fo mo tribalism ni be watson gambe fe nyola de si alma si on kuma on mo furon wote ka dola wo ya fon halagile mo may qur'an mo da e kali wo qur'an mo da tan ke kali yemem fa be duliya amana ke to nyati and other things. I don't want to get personal. Wulola wote fendi. What's on Gambia? Ye wulu ntele ngafo ye mang to nyafo ye fani dang. Ye fani. What's on Gambia ntele ngafo? Ngo ye wulu ye mang to nyafo. Attack ye mem for tribalism lam. Ye mem for ila articulo de ye fani dang. Andi dalta ka nyenkele. Ima ika fion fa be wuli ya. Ika fem fa be wuli ya ika mem be double. Ila for tribalism ila for support la. Moye mol neng alma ofo. Nal ma fo you stay away. Baral kan alka fo mole ko fendolem. Yala ñinam problème ote mol nin politician ol tema. Ñinam mol nin politician ol tema problème ote. Politician eka fengo jela ko e man ñe ñin dole. Eka kayti ko jela ko e man kayti ko je kayti fengo leji. Ye kayti buluru ja ko e mo je kayti neta mon ko leji. Ñinam fengo la problème ote. Ñinam politician la problème ote. Satul kal ko politician, how can you even come across as credible? Natul ka faniya foteng. Based on in fact, this is something me alon ko ya al stupid tale. Mol many intelligent many alon ko ye fellon dunia kono. Nana any prohibited ground of discrimination. Nana te kila time dal. Ya jela mol be Peter Gomez ma kanja ndeta mala de. Because it is a sensitive issue. Meya kumo vo ndebita wole noma. Meya fa manke minority. Peter, ala platform do même fota je ababulu je many yalon ko wolbe professional nyin kono maybe now those people have deeper knowledge will say criticize no as to what should be done and what should not be done but as an outsider me yalon ko I'm just a neutral person mba fulal ko freedom of speech mon nyata nga tolerate hana tor nun ko même fota ja man diante o entenen I'm fine. Peter, I have nothing to say about Peter and his platform. I have nothing. I'm not gonna lie. It's stupid tell what's on Gambia. We iman fell long. Ite men Londro wole aye page wole yele ye nyada mabo ibe wuliani mfani ya tutuka molo banko kan. And I hope in a government class one day they close your damn platform. Ibu mo furi ngolti. Ila website alama ya blog Gambia. Nafi kole muti tribalism la muti. Nafi kole muti tribalism la muti. Ida ba siri bentol accuse la tribalism la je nyay attaque ya nyinke explicitly. Imam fengo ferendem fo. Ikata alo ika nyim batara safero ke. Ika fo nyi safero ya bonni min dol. Eka im batra safero eka foko ha wa nye memfo mol ya misunderstand where explicit nim yala this is where you know that you guys are stupid nim more fintita another explicit then you don't put up a defense for that. This guy was explicit. In fact, I can mention by name. Nyule malafinna nyulle yang hinda nyunne na kariya muta nyulle at na mantano dulato nyulle mo la fi narjang ni nyul mo me muta jay man ke fendi ame what's on Gambia ite nyom mo ite man intelligent le fon ima intelligent, you are stupid in your brain, very stupid for that matter. Ngo ni me yen mbo criticize in fact ite how is it possible ko ite mo me yen tenen ite ka fo be o defend la ite amante jande ite passive la nyadi but comme ngambe fodro ite fongo munafikol di wulole mudi tribalism le mudi ite fongo sifatam fansi la ila golwo bebet afenge ka wala tina ima fono ima ata condemn no ko en wokke mun jaw dingo me yalon ko ata fongo manin ko di baraka batara ya men aka ken wa nyum manin ko la wayati no la conscience ma ala no momen ka manin ko ne ngata condemn la no. Attack is a confused guy. I thought his next video was supposed to be an apology, but instead it was another mess. Attack, exactly, thank you. Either you watch the second video. I understand what you mean. In your case, ndangalo bari ndema antene mala ala mo I have not yalla ndebugala ka mo ma at the same time address your family is grossly unfair mo lon sa ci barati la mate ate ko molam atle problème o atle be nafiki ala wala naka nyada mabo wala naka nyada mabo bar na man ko rata ko la antema mo dolon ya membo nyama never atle beten atle mo kuroti imagine how can like ye fo ida ni nyame nga ko mo tribalism malam fo yalla mo stupid taliban fo ida yalla ko me tele intelligent am wolti bang like ilen is the lowest of the lowest kalo ñim dindi moy ñim kulu bal yame ngi nit dindi mo fa ko ma dole fo me yalla ko aye ma ba wot so lel ko ma bla 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 isa fo ko maybe de yalla maybe fota angale ko je bar ñin lo da ka mol to fa ka kuma tilimbalol fo ite kana lo ko defend because if you got platform all baby ya me ite kala lo desa la ñu online platform yalla won dekat lañu fula la ñu online platform al camera fo influencer balbul comme su ngo bugal hañi drone moka wanyar wala na masakunda fanga silal but a transparent government no so you guys are useless because it is silal if you are operating on the principle of transparency moment silal as a government you don't have to worry about what's on Gambia foolish stupid warrior me alonga buga nyada fon boy come and sit like I am doing like this. Come and sit like this, you see a Gambian face. Ibe men for a yav. Duli yaron yang kantel mo nyanchol. Bari mbuga si online yang afem fo mo mela ngon ta fo no la nyat lingola. I don't do that. Wala nga men fo lo ni ngeje fo sonda si ka mo do fo nga jakal. Stay on substance. Ite men fo la moye a nyat lingola ja. Adu ite ngani men fo de. Ni nyaaye je nyini nga ni ma fo nga fa dek nga la ka buro. Mbafole ite nyon keba wulo ite nyon keba nafiko mbafole ite nyon tribalism wada kere. Ni ma fo nga fa dek nga la ka buro. Nyenye nyini nga. First thing mbafole mo tribalism. I will tell you. Because you will exhibit jam. Mo foi drone ayenene. Amari man la fila. Tribalism la mudi. Ni dini we batale ya membe for the Gambia be ko ama beng. Ite kada alo ko defend la platform de ko platform bala be debul. Mo ma bade la platform ko mo mari man bambu la soto. Bari fangolo ye kalangolong. Ifangolo ye kalangolong. Mbolo fole. Ni amira ko la platform influencer soto. You are sleeping. Gambia, an underdeveloped country like the Gambia, ite amira ko online influence. Nde wala nante buka warente nyong online ko I don't give a damn about it. Nyong momo camera jang. People are here mostly, we are talking to people who are just sitting home and they are bored. You are not talking to the real Gambians back home. I'm telling you, this bullshit platform and social media talks is not even getting to them. Man for your learned. Go and look for something else if you want to be influential in Gambia. Ita political ring kono. Humanitarian work, like you have all the connections. Go and help people back home. Imagine a platform. In fact, before Ngana Jambi, Akaida has so many things there, including blood donation and other stuff. Fine. Those are the real things that Gambians need. Definitely, call about drug donation. I don't know a number of our call the molale. Fire call, family call, often have a emergency. Because apparently you have a list of people, many along go, will got blood donation, but say a kakane the how will be, will them real change and impact. Yeah, America 4,000 likes, Nafalable. People who are sitting home and they are bored. Nimanda Dogolesi, some of us, Basir in the draw. You appealing to some lunatics. Many along, they are just sitting at home sometimes. Some of them are just on social for like 2 decades now. In between a body that Gambia live okay now. It amira wole influenced. It amira wole influenced. It rasirin jebe ibela kalanda yala be kuma furungol post la. Dini wo tribalism ke kada ko defend. Ite fo da amira mamol it le mol wo dini wo mamol ne ba it le fo ngay mol nem ba ki katambe wo fon. What a moron you are. What a moron you are. Ito nyo mo kunta na bekerin tribalism atul belo alba flo ko ha tribalism ten alka men be va be fani ya Gambia men ye mol sunya siyo be la ka fata nyoma apoji la nyin case men kete jang yoro jallo la man ta klubal ya ka lo kata 600,000 ima jo wala come allegedly yoro jallo iko ya jola man ke fuloldi Ablaye Sanya man ni kadi ngote wala ma fa tuba bo nyi yabula Ablaye Job amanga surwaldi wala man isansero muda be clear ko mo kana isanso nat nam banko kan. These are the 3 biggest criminals when it comes to this fango. Fulo dingo man ni kadi ngo surwa dingo. Al tribalism fo nyanya ni nyul sura na fulo. Ni sura na fulo they become one and the same unit. They fight and they prefer our resources. Ika sunya They become one and the same. Nila fa sunya roke. Al wuliya fobula Watson Gambia. Al fania fobula. 3 people, the 3 key players, all of them different background. Tribalism mankala problem odid. Albe sunya role kelela anunkas alkalea stop ka small celebrate. Anu tribalism na ni momo findira. I tribalism ke directly ala kumani for what they are. Ala kumani for what they are. Mene sunya roke ala jibe ni apology case. The 3 key players, 3 people, all from different backgrounds, all from different tribal backgrounds. Tribalism, they would not have connived. But they did not even, in fact, WhatsApp message, many WhatsApp message, because it was apparently given to the NAMS. Iko for doka for doyego, ndana manyi sifasoro. Doka for doyego, and system on you come system ransack, it's going to be very easy for them. Al wuliya fobula, al fania fobula, al nafika ya bula. Ali amira ko nyim platform mo membal bu jagole sambo sani de Gambia man digitize a nyama sembetal la nal bodante la be dara ni online you are just talking to few people here in Europe rek al camera al Gambia le fengal kal fongol bodandi. You are thinking too much, your brain is too active, bro. Chill. You have no impact, you have no influence. I kid you not. Bibi la ni election of Gambia, you cannot influence no election, nothing. Even moment site a WhatsApp like a WhatsApp ke ani radio wole sembo sodal WhatsApp. Moment side WhatsApp la. Wala for influencer of Watson Gambia. Wuliya fo ko la almantara fenaja. Ali amira for social. Because how many percent of Gambians even can read? That's one thing. You need to ask yourself, how many percent of Gambians can even read? Ibola jibela. In about how many percent of Gambians have access to internet? But you are living in a album margin dingol kono dugara alfa mutali alfa marali alfa long. Ye fall long ite batala. Hamsa bopa jamala. Hamlen sen bopa. Alal fon long do ke mo data si Gambia radio dai Gambia beneng iti ala online but Gambia dingole wala ma directly from their radios mon la dimbal be siri listening to a small idiot abe man ngol benena abe kan la la deliberately ite kana si je ko defend ika bodo kana si ka fa badi man ka dole ko yalla ma understand alla ñun do len tribalism ite you cannot bring out any evidence of explicit tribalism from anybody you can tell me be accused on online. Tribalism evidence nano. But because you support somebody, they don't support that person. Or it left a quake it and a woman of Ike Yamadro. You call me tribalism. It's substantially. Alcanafal be moli yabula. Alcanafal be moli yabula. Al fongol mutali al fongol dete. Ni attack bala kulubaliala. Ni attack bala kulubaliala bala malbaliala. Al attack command for what he is walial dal sorong. Alal dal sorong. But kana ka fo be takay defend na jam fo takay mala ka menk fo bila start ka ma fe ngoma takay fo monte fo ma takay fo ma mun mal problème because ngala video do jaba fa farmarel japalen si wali se ka japale si crib kara I don't know ala fan base where he expects it to be, and this is something that happens in the art wala ñi go. Sometimes ya start nyamen jali jama bi the starting bugala exactly ila strength be min tole, and as they keep going what mo le kana understand wala nan kala al fenya kala wulangol STL dandali lolla nda ST lo wata mo ST musical start le that's all like 20 years ago ST man ke bi moti amanga bi ST musical ko de 20 years ago I knew the guy Brikama. Utama akamunela akafuni angale kan rap. But as time goes on, and then he was able to find his niche. Alota no kuka cut. Along ko munna strength, and he started going on it. Attack just started how many years ago? Misiko buke nyama. Misiko ika start le art be wol nyama ika kumasele. Hani any kind of art. Itaka jilo ko naturally nyina muna talent. Okay, but I will keep going. Man mena strength mbas jila mindole. As you perform, people give you feedback. As you perform, sometimes ila dol ka beti adolde. Ikela strength understand wol nyama. It happened over the years. ST is 20 something years into this industry, and he's still less than 50 years. Biala niche fine na buntan dawda banko beka like. Hanin telephone nim fama da mo la sang gambora la YouTube channel do ngata jibe fambe fenda radio. Ite fucking aso la denkil kilim fula wala betiara me ala ko mo kamel la moyno. That shows you maybe you have a talent in you, but keep grinding, bro. You have to keep grinding. Something will come out of it. wal ga lo jang to mo furin kuntang kalantang barakantang ikada lo ke ndo ke ka tribalism kumo fe kada ite ko wala defend mais yo tarajana na diate fo Gambia ken ragalud la because ibe fan yalla ge man ratto nyaka tribalism bula mol men ka tribalism gal kana lo al ka fal bol support la wote kala no de mo men ka sifatam fansi ko ge alim be ngo condemn next minute you go and sit out there yafu mole ko ha ndefa ngoni manin ko keda de ndefa ngoni fa ay Gambia tribalism be ko wala ma be wulu tribalism ndiamo mole abava ni sikarte ikala wol folo la ko amari mu tribalism abe wuli ya ngani yo men bala amala bolo fola nyame alafte angani yo ma bolema wala na ko wuli ya kumo foy mena ko mo dana dame taka ye membo taka ye tinyarol ke taka ye wuli ya fole ke taka ye manin ko tonyal fo tonyal ro danda dame taka ye manin ko tonyal fo tonyal ro danda dame anda ga siwo sila nyanta kondem la wala nyam so nin taka e fango findi dana ko akade kana fengo la tondi akade kana clarification la fango gena dundi that's how explicit this wala nan kam fara bi menendiro mbal nana de ha even though I don't think it's a nendiro classic nendiro but I don't wuliani penya kala wula mo manko nendiro ni ke wulu ye wulu there's no other way to awol ka bol nya ni wulu ye wulu de o diam dot Taka did not put up a defense for himself because he knows ko I mem for abanga ni abola foga. Adol kan halka mole ko Taka e manyum fale Taka e koten. Sadol nin Taka jumal fi amonyo. Ngal ni nga adol nin Taka jumal fi amonyo. Maybe Taka le fon fi adol because Taka at least he is very clear as to what he wanted to say about the Manikas. But atol lafta kana amol confused.com algala ni article bafu du balo safi mo furi ngolu mo kuntangolu mo barakan tangolu mena video la nanya la baraka